Welcome to the Adtile Motion Store. In this tutorial, we're going to test a variety of different templates on some newer and older devices. The Adtile Motion Store is known as the world's largest mobile creative hub, with its current library of more than 90 fully editable templates and growing. Adtile-designed templates have been built upon the core belief that the user experience comes first, and that reliable, high-quality experiences can be easily generated and maintained at large scale and distributed to a global audience. To achieve this, each template has been designed around Adtile's patented framework of mobile sensors and carefully controlled human interface. When you enter the Motion Store, the first window you see is the Projects window. This is where you can browse all previously saved projects. To begin creating a new project, click the orange plus button in the lower right corner to bring up the New Project window. Here you can scroll up and down to select which template to use for the new project. At the top of the New Project window, there are categories to filter the templates. When you select a type in any category, only the templates that satisfy that type are shown. Note that Adtile templates are preloaded with sample content and default settings for all elements. As a first example, let's preview the Touch Swiped Mixed Media template. The selected template is indicated by the highlighted orange border and center checkmark. View supported browsers and devices by clicking the information icon just above the template. Preview the template by clicking the eye icon and scan the displayed QR code. The template will load and play in the browser immediately. Here is a preview using an iPhone 7 running the latest version of iOS 10. The Swipe Mixed Media template has 4 main pages, and it is designed in a dynamic app style. The first page is the initial view, and instructs the user how to transition to the other pages, in this case, by swiping up or down. The second page contains a brand call to action button and 3 side swipeable sub-elements. The third page autoplays a video, and the fourth page contains 4 tappable sub-pages, each with a call to action button. Here is a preview using an older model Samsung Galaxy S3 running Android 4. Each template has been tested on over 100 different devices. By manipulating content within the supplied template elements, the viewable content is scaled appropriately on all screen dimensions, and animations are kept seamless with responsive patented Adtile sensor controls. This is one of the many great core features built into the Motion Store, which guarantees a unique, high-quality experience across a diverse mobile landscape. Here is a preview using a Sony Xperia XA running Android 6. Next, let's preview the Portrait Shake to Reveal Brush template. Here is a preview using an iPhone 7 running the latest version of iOS 10. The Shake to Reveal Brush template has 4 pages. The first page is the initial view and instructs the user how to transition to the other pages, in this case by shaking the device. The second and third pages contain a brand message and instructs the user to continue shaking. The fourth page contains the final brand message and a call to action button. Here is a preview using an older model Samsung Galaxy S3 device running Android 4. All motion-enabled templates use Adtile's patented Motion Stack API for motion processing. The Motion Stack standardizes all sensor data and defines high-order gestures that work consistently across all devices. The Motion Stack has been extensively tested and optimized with Adtile's massive library of recorded motion data. Let's preview another motion-enabled template, this time using the tilt gesture. Navigate to the Portrait, Tilt to Shuffle template and scan the QR code. The Tilt to Shuffle template has 3 pages. Again, the first page is the initial view and instructs the user to tilt the device sideways. The second page contains a brand image and instructs the user to continue tilting. The third page contains the final brand message and a call to action button. Here is a preview using an older model Samsung Galaxy S3 running Android 4. Notice how the tilt gesture performs reliably on both newer and older devices. Here is a preview using a Samsung Galaxy Tab S2 running Android 6. Once you have chosen a template, click the Create Project button in the lower right to load the selected template and enter the Motion Store editor for the new project. The Motion Store raises the bar for excellence in human interface design and device support. We put the power in your hands to deliver engaging and unique user experiences across mobile browsers and operating systems. With this industry-unique Creative Cloud for building mobile experiences, you can publish Adtile creatives in a multitude of different ways, including standard web tags, MRAID tags, social media apps, chat apps, SMS, and any existing content management systems, or even directly on web pages. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial for testing a variety of templates in the Adtile Motion Store.